the information of the change. They have to be notified for the records. They send in money. They keep track of things.
Nothing. Of course.
Okay, we are officially on the record. First, I'm going to call the matter of Sophia Papirski and Mr. Jones and Ms. Squires. I'm just going to mute your channels until I call your case. Okay. Ms. Eastman, if you could raise your right hand, please. You need to unmute your phone.
Okay. It froze up though. Okay, there you go.
Let me repeat. You do swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You can put your hand down now. State your name.
Rhonda Eastman?
Ms. Eastman, you are the guardian of Sophia Papirski?
Correct.
All right, and you've submitted a report to the court as to how Sophia's doing. Give me just a moment. I'm going to pull that up so I have it in front of me. Sophia Sue Louisa Papirski, it looks like.
Yes.
All right. And is everything in this report true and accurate to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Sophia is, let's see, 5 now, right?
Correct.
I see excellent living arrangement, excellent health. Has she received any kind of medical or dental treatment in the past year?
No. Just from her school district.
And she's at kindergarten at Da Vinci?
Correct.
I would expect that there's some kind of a dental exam that she probably should be having. Has she ever been to a dentist?
Just through the school.
They bring a dentist to the school to do an exam?
Yes, they do.
Oh, were there any problems?
They, I can't think of what they called. They did the cleaning and then they said they were all good.
Oh, that's good. And otherwise, she hasn't been to a doctor for any reason?
No.
Is her schooling live or is it virtual?
It's virtual right now.
And how's that working? How's that working out for her?
She's having a little issue with it, but she's, they go back to school, I believe this Thursday, I think tomorrow.
All right. Well, I'm satisfied she's doing well. I will enter an order continuing the guardianship. We'll do another annual review about a year from now. And unless you have any questions, that concludes this hearing.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, next up is the matter of the name change for Gavin Edward Jones. So I noticed from the petition, Mr. Jones, that the natural parents, Gavin's natural parents' rights have been terminated. Is that correct?
I'm his natural daddy. You mean the mother rights been terminated, and I got all rights. I'm the father.
I got you. Well, that's not, hold on, let me pull the form, and maybe I just misread the.
Messed it up. I think I put parents,
I'm gonna
not
pull it up.
parent.
Yeah, that's my son.
I said-
99.9.
I put parents.
All right. It says the parents, plural, rights have been terminated.
I know I had I made a mistake and put the S on there. I meant parent. Her has been terminated, and I got all the rights to him.
Okay, and when were the mother's rights terminated?
I came before you.
April.
I think it was April this year,
2018.
2018. I came
Okay.
before you.
I don't doubt that, sir. I just do a lot of abuse and neglect cases, so it's not unusual that I wouldn't remember a particular name. Okay, well, hold on. I need to scroll back and look. It's a little note that the clerk's office put on my publication. Petition says, reference to a case. Okay. All right. All right, well, let me take some testimony from you, sir. Would you raise your right hand, please? You do swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
State your full name. You can put your hand down.
Walter Edward Jones.
And Mr. Jones, what is Ms. Squire's relationship to Gavin?
I didn't hear you. Can
I
you
wa-
repeat that?
No, I was on the court for Sophia Papirski.
Oh, I'm sorry, and I cut you off.
Yeah,
Well, let me ask you. I wish you'd spoken up. I just assumed I would only have a guardian here.
no, you muted my thing.
I did because I thought I didn't realize you were on that case, and I'm sorry. You were able to hear the proceeding there. Was there something you wanted to say?
Yeah, I want to get full custody back of my girls. I mean,
I can't address that on a simple annual review of a guardianship. Basically, the purpose of that is to make sure the child's doing okay. If you want to take steps to have the guardianship terminated, you can file a petition to do that. Just get with the clerk's office. Once that gets filed, it'll be scheduled up in front of me. And I will evaluate your petition at that time.
all right, well, I'm gonna go down and do that today then.
Okay, I'm very sorry. I'm glad at least you were able to hear what went on, but I couldn't have done anything this morning anyway.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry about that, Mr. Jones.
It's okay.
I guess I should have asked. Okay, so how old is Gavin?
He's 2. He about to be 3. January 26th.
Yeah, so he's not old enough to even care about getting his name changed.
See, see the whole thing. I've been calling him that since he been little. So that's the only name he know. So and I just I'm going through it with it now because I'm gonna have to put him in school and all that. And then another thing is I want to get an amended birth certificate. Because I got to get him in school. My name ain't on the birth certificate or nothing. And I want to get an amended one just with my name because the lady that was a one night stand to me, she got all his paperwork and everything, and then she been threatening me. Like she gonna file taxes and all that. I don't even know her. She was a one night stand. So I'm trying to get an amended birth certificate too.
All right, well, that's something that I can order. I see you requested that in your petition. You want his name changed to Trenton Wayne
Yes.
Jones.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, I believe your request is appropriate. I will grant the name change. I will direct the state registrar to create a new live birth certificate for Trenton. And, well,
Yeah, I just want her name off of it, just mine on there, because I got to take you to school and all that. She been threatening, she been stalking, just been a pain in my, what. She got all this paperwork. I just want my name on there and his. That way, she can't file no tax, none of that. I don't even know the lady. She was just a one night stand to me. She crazy.
yeah. So I don't believe that it's possible to change the birth certificate to delete the mother's name. In fact, I'm pretty sure that's not possible. Yeah, and if she's harassing you or Gavin, Trenton,
Yeah.
it may be possible for you to get a personal protective order that requires her to stay away from you and to stay away from.
I have one already.
You had.
Oh, what? Yeah, I probably had it been about a couple years now, but I had one.
Yeah, they typically they last a year unless you come in and ask the court to extend it before that year is up. So you could get, if she's continuing to harass, you could file a petition both for yourself and on behalf of Gavin. We would, and that's when a minor is seeking a personal protective order. It may not be granted without a hearing, just because, unless you put something in the petitions to suggest that there's some immediate threat of harm. But if it's just harassment that you're dealing with, it would get scheduled for a hearing. I would likely grant both petitions. And then what you have to do is before that petition expires, just file a request with the court to have it extended, and we can keep extending it as long as necessary for her to disappear and leave you alone.
Okay.
All right. So,
What about social security card?
Question though. So,
Go ahead.
my name gonna be on the amended birth certificate, right?
I'm going to guess yes, because if you've got custody of this child, there was a determination made that you are indeed legally Trenton's father.
Yes, sir.
I don't have a memory of how that happened. One way it happens is a paternity case is filed and a judge makes the decision that you're the legal father. Another way it happens is when both parents sign an affidavit of parentage. And I'm guessing if mom's not ever been present or involved, she probably didn't do that.
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, yes, you did.
CPS.
I went through the CPS process
Oh, okay.
before you in 2018, April.
All right. Well, I don't make but paternity determinations in the course of a neglect case, but sometimes the paternity gets established when both parents sign an affidavit. So if that happened, then there should be no difficulty getting your name added to the birth certificate. But I'm pretty sure we can't delete hers. Trenton has the right when he turns 18, if he wants to go to the Central Adoption Registry and get information about his mother, unless she's filed a form saying she doesn't want him to have that information.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to grant your request. We will make sure an order gets sent out to you just as soon as I can get it back into the probate court. Did you have any more questions of me, sir?
Yeah, yes, sir. What about the Social Security card? Y'all gonna send that to me with his new name and Social Security and everything?
I don't do Social Security cards. What you would have to do, I'm gonna guess, because I never practiced in this area before I became a judge. One that has your name on it, able to go before the Social Security Administration and make that request, but they're the ones that are going to have to tell you how to do that.
I know, that's why I had talked to them like in 2018, and they told me I already had got a Social Security card from him. But anyway, you know, I'm getting a new name for him. And,
Oh, I got you. You mean to change the name that's on the card?
Yeah. And then, you know, they told me I need an amended birth certificate so nobody else can come down there and get his, you know, once his name changed, you know what I'm saying, they put up there, I need a amended birth certificate. So
okay,
I guess
well, you'll be getting that through this process. I mean, I don't do it. I direct the state registrar to do that, but then they'll send it to you.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, I am granting your request today, sir. We'll get this to you as quickly as we can.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks.
Front of the court, hang up, dial 517-888-4470. If you would like to reach the juvenile probation officers, please press 1. Adoptions and limited guardianship, please press 2. Oh. Hi, this is Carolyn Brown. I'm either out of the office or away from my desk. If you leave a message, I will return your call. Thank you.
Carolyn.
After the tone, please record your message. When you finish recording, hang up or press the pound key for more options.
Hi, Carolyn. This is Judge LaFlamme. I'm assuming that was you that called me, but I was on the record, so I couldn't answer it. Maybe the best way, I've got people waiting. I'm assuming they're for this 9 o'clock hearing. I don't see any names that I recognize. Let me check my email real quick here. Oh, okay. I've got something. All right. Thank you. I think I've got what I need. You're welcome to zoom into the hearing if you'd like.